Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Begin at Accounts. Google.com/Signan/recovery to start the official recovery process. Use the device and location you commonly used with the account to improve success. Enter the full Gmail address you want to recover and press Continue. Google will prompt for previously used passwords and recovery options next. Answer with the most recent password you remember if requested. Provide the exact recovery email or phone number previously linked to the account. Wait for Google to send a verification code to that recovery contact if offered. Check your recovery phone for a text code and enter it promptly when received. If you set up two-step verification, use a backup code or Google Authenticator code now. Google may ask for security questions and the month and year you created the account. Answer with approximate dates if you cannot recall exact days. Use the last password you remember when prompted to improve verification confidence. Provide device names or locations you commonly used if requested by Google. Follow on-screen instructions exactly to complete identity checks. If Google verifies you, create a new strong password of at least 12 characters. Avoid reusing passwords across multiple accounts to reduce future risk and breaches. Enable two-step verification and add a recovery phone and recovery email immediately. Save a set of backup codes somewhere secure like an encrypted password manager. Review recent account activity and revoke unfamiliar device access using account settings. Update account recovery details every 6 months to keep them current and accurate. Contact Google support through official channels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.